So today we just installed 2 Infratech infrared heaters. The space between the floor and the heaters is 12.5 feet. These 2 heaters up here are made to be installed between 10 and 14 feet. And the controls for these, pretty simple. They have more other kind of controls. This is a real basic model for one of them. This is low and high, and for one of them, and this is low and high heat for the other. Let me show you one other thing. So once this house is completed, they'll put all the tongue and groove wood all around here, and it'll come all the way up to right here, going all the way around this. It'll finish out real nice. These are the breather holes, and everything else comes up nice and flush to this. And you can see low and high because it has 2 heating elements on each heater.